Hey tubers, I just want to give you something to think about again during this inflationary time. I want you to think about high gas prices. Here's something the government could do to alleviate the high gas prices in America. It does not require any new drilling. It does not require any new pipelines. Everybody gets to do everything the same, with one exception. If the oil companies are drilling on federal land during this period of time that the government decides, and that can be flexible, the oil that they are drilling out of the ground on federal leases, and that oil should be refined in America and sold to us at not the world price per barrel inflated price, but let's just say their cost and 10%. I'm not saying put them out of business. I don't even know what the correct price is, but that would work. Nobody's going to go out of business during these bad times, and it would really put a nail in trying to stop this inflation that we're experiencing. American oil, drilled on federal leases, processed in America, sold not at the world barrel price, but at a cost plus 10%. No new drilling needed. No new pipelines, and oil companies, if you produce oil, drill it on private lands that you own or some other whatever country, sell it at the world price, do whatever you want with it. This is, free market capitalism. But right now, federal leases, federal land, the government should be screwing with you. That's just my opinion. Leave a comment, tell me what you think.